For this make, you're going to need some glue. Now this glue I've got in is an all-purpose glue. I've got this from Toolstation. I have this board, this palette board, which I've made previously. It's made up of 5 boards, different lengths, and they are connected on the back with a couple of struts. And I've got all these shells which I've collected over the years through buying at shops when we're on holiday or collecting on the beach, which I'm just going to space out around the board into a heart shape and glue down using my all-purpose glue. Now just make sure you get enough glue on the back of some of these shells. Where there isn't much contact with the board, you need to make sure you've got enough there so that they don't wiggle once dry and they fall off. If you're enjoying this video, please do give it a massive thumbs up, and if you're not already, do subscribe to my channel to be one of the first to know when I upload a new crafty inspiration video.